Join us this week as we explore Little Rocky Creek, a sacred Aboriginal site. Have you ever stood in a place where people worked thousands of years ago? Welcome to Little Rocky Creek, just outside Landsborough on Queensland's Sunshine Coast. Hidden among the bush is one of the region's most significant First Nations cultural sites. As you pull into the car park, you can see that there's a scout camp on your right side, and then to the left is the pathway to Little Rocky Creek. You can take a nice short walk, it's not very far from the car park, about 200 metres if that, to the actual little creek where you can see the area where they used to do the grinding stones and the rocks, and where the First Nation people would have settled and come to work. Please note that this is a First Nations site, so just keep in mind some respect, and please be careful on the rocks, they can be quite slippery. Make sure you're wearing sturdy shoes and just be careful you don't go bottoms up. Have you ever stood in a place where people worked thousands of years ago? Welcome to Little Rocky Creek, just outside Landsborough on Queensland's Sunshine Coast. Hidden amongst the bush is one of the region's most significant First Nations cultural sites. After a short walk through beautiful bushland, you arrive at a viewing platform overlooking the creek. As you look around, you may even spot additional grinding grooves hidden amongst the rocks, along with birds, goannas and other local wildlife. This peaceful creek was used by the Gubbi Gubbi people for countless generations as a place to shape and sharpen tools. This is much more than a tourist attraction. It's a place of deep cultural significance and an important reminder that Aboriginal people have cared for and lived on this land for countless generations. If you're exploring the Glasshouse Mountains or the Sunshine Coast, Little Rocky Creek is a worthwhile stop. It's quiet, it's peaceful, and it offers a chance to connect with Australia's rich First Nations history in a respectful and meaningful way. Comment below if you've visited Little Rocky Creek before. We'd love to hear your thoughts. The smooth grooves carved into the sandstone weren't made by nature, they were created by people, patiently grinding stone axe heads, spearheads and cutting tools against the rock. Take a moment to imagine the history here. Long before roads, towns or cars existed, families would have gathered beside the flowing creek. The constant supply of water and fine sandstone made it the perfect place to make and maintain the tools needed for hunting, gathering and everyday life. Over generations, that repeated grinding slowly carved the grooves you can still see today. It's incredible to think that something as simple as sharpening a stone axe has left a lasting record of thousands of years of continuous connection to country. Don't forget to like and subscribe to discover more of our adventures.